Akshit, wouldn't it be fun to see real cows and hear them moo?
Yes, and real ducks, not just rubber duckies that actually quack.
What are you two chatting about?
We want to hear all the animals and learn about homophones.
That sounds like a fantastic idea. It's a lovely day for a walk to the farm. We can go.
I'm going to listen to all the different sounds. I bet I can hear more animals than you, Janvi.
Oh, we'll see that. Let's see who can find the most homophones too.
Yes, let's get your adventure hats on, gather a few snacks and head out. Today, the day is going to be a day full of learning and fun. Remember that every noise and every word you discover today, it helps you know more about the world.
We will, Dad.
We will, Dad. Look, Dad, there are lots of animals with different sounds.
Yes, Janvi. And remember, homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings, like male and male. One is what we send in an envelope, and the other describes a boy.
Oh, like night and night. One wears armor and the other is dark and starry.
Exactly, you've got it. At the farm, you'll also hear lots of animal sounds. Each one is unique.
What sounds will we hear?
Maybe you will hear ducks go quack, even though that is not a homophone. Do you remember bee and bee?
Yes, bees buzz around. And bee seems like to exist, right?
Right. And speaking of buzz, that's exactly the sound you'll hear from bees.
Can we listen to homophones with animal sounds too?
Of course! Like moo from the cows and mew from kittens. See if you can hear both today.
That will be like a sound scavenger hunt.
Exactly. Keep your ears open and your mind ready to learn. It's all about exploring and discovering. We're here. Have fun discovering all those homophones and enjoy the farm.
Thanks, Dad. We'll tell you everything when we get back.